Einstein's wore limp. Einstein was entranced and courted her aggressively. They carried on a torrid premarital affair, calling her his beloved witch. Albert's letters to her were a heady mix of physics chatter and promised kisses. Along with Mileva and Grossman, Einstein's circle of friends grew to include Michel Besso, an older engineer with whom he loved to perform music. Eventually, the group added Maurice Solavine and Conrad Habisch. They grandly called themselves the Olympia Academy. They would gather to talk physics and philosophy over sausage and tea, or play music over fruit and cheese. The young Einstein was a bohemian. His pursuit of science was part of the same social movement as the artists and writers lining the turn-of-the-century coffee shops. Beauty, truth, and love were of a piece with the conservation of energy and Newtonian dynamics. The exciting physics of those days dealt with the forces of Einstein's childhood electricity and magnetism. As those forces were put to work in electrical generators over the 19th century, they were studied intently by generations of physicists. Alongside developing applications like the telegraph and the light bulb, scientists tried to create theories to understand and explain what was happening inside the machines. Both electrical and magnetic forces could be seen to push and pull electrical charges, apparently without contact. Think of the spinning of the young Einstein's compass needle. This idea that physical effects could be caused without visible physical interaction, a conceptual problem known as action at a distance, was unsettling to many scientists. To resolve this, the English apprentice bookbinder turned experimental physicist Michael Faraday proposed the notion of fields. These were invisible entities filling the space around electrical and magnetic sources that carried those forces from place to place. Even this was not a particularly satisfying solution, and it was eventually accepted that there must be a physical thing that carried or supported these fields: the ether. The ether was an invisible, nearly intangible substance that filled all of space and permeated matter.